Max, he runs the land with heart and hope and working hands.
Morning, team. Time to make the 1970s proud. You're gentler than a cloud, Max.
That's why Milk loves me. 2 more bunches on row 5.
Got it, Chirpy. Keep those wings flapping. Hey!
I'm not part of the harvest.
Perfect color. The sweetest yet.
You and your beets. Maybe you should marry them.
If I do, you'll be the best bird at the wedding.
Work the land, come rain or shine. Bananas, milk, and beets divine. That's the sound of teamwork.
Good afternoon, folks. It's a perfect day.
That's us, Rusty. No clouds, no worries.
Except maybe Penny's appetite.
Bananas. Something feels. Stay alert, team.
Monkey Max, your farm will be mine.
Something big was here last night.
We'll reinforce everything. No one touches this farm.
Well, if fences could sing, this one's got rhythm.
Teamwork makes it strong and catchy.
Heard about the scratching, Max. Be careful, Ed. There's talk of a tiger in these woods.
Thanks, Joe. I've got it handled, Ed, just like the old days.
Storm incoming!
Everyone, tie things down. We've weathered worse. My tires are drowning!
Hold on, Rusty. We're not losing you to a puddle.
Max, help! The water's rising!
Hang on, Luna.
You saved me again!
That's what families do. We'll fix it. We always do.
Just one snack or 10.
Stop that slippery thief!
Catch me if you can, monkey boy! Feathered menace!
At least we saved breakfast. Nice dive, champ. Olympic gold in mud.
And Croco gets the silver. Something's out there.
Stay behind me!
This farm should be mine.
Hey, Stripey, pick on someone with tires.
Max!
I won't let you take my home.
That cat's got claws.
And bad manners.
He's not done yet. None of us are.
Dr. Monkey in recovery.
You scared us, Max.
Takes more than claws to stop a farmer. We'll reinforce every corner, guard the swamp, and protect the crops. Operation Farm Fortress. I like it.
We fight, we farm, we stand as one. Sunrise work till the day is done.
You like fish, don't you, Croco?
Depends. What's the catch?
Join me, and we'll split the bananas. You get the swamp, I get the farm.
Deal.
We strike tomorrow night. I'll take the barn. You take the waterway.
Bananas, milk, and beets, all ours.
Must be the wind. All mine. Every banana, every beet. Not again.
Let's end this farm style. Nice paint job, Nat. Shame if it gets muddy.
Hey!
Not the rubber! You can't win, little farmer.
Watch me.
This farm stands tall.
I can't swim that fast.
Retreat!
The farm's safe again.
We did it, boss!
No one messes with Monkey Max's farm.
Or his bananas.
When we work together, there's nothing we can't fix. For our hero!
Team hero.
Hey, don't forget me. I ran on empty for hours.
I'm sorry, bananas aren't worth all that mud.
Then join us, Croco. We've got room for honest hands.
Deal help, but I'm not eating mud pies ever again.
Work the land, protect with pride. On Monkey's farm we all abide. Grow bananas, milk, and beets.
Max, you've done what few can. Protecting this farm takes more than muscle. It takes heart. For courage,
You really are a hero, you know?
A hero just grows what he loves.
A farm sleeps best when hearts are happy.
deja vu, anyone?
Rusty, you're supposed to plow the land, not live in it.
Come back, you flying flower.
Achoo!
Shake that tail, make some milk. We're grooving on the farm, smooth as silk.
You've got moves. Made it myself.
Uh-oh, I think I'm too grateful.
Nothing beats farm fun after the storm.
Tell us, Hero Max, what's your secret? Eat bananas, stay brave, fix tractors. And no fear of crocodiles. Only if they take my bananas. Cut! That's gold, baby!
Max, thought you could use this. Vintage 70s gear, you know my style. Time to make this farm shine even brighter. No villains, no storms, just friends and farming.
Hooray for Monkey Max!
I've got the groove and the moves.
Careful, Croco, don't pull a scale.
If you can't beat 'em, join 'em.
Careful, tale of terror. Guess I'm not built for ballet. He's Monkey Max, the farm's best friend. Fights for good till the very end. This farm is my home, and we'll keep it shining.